Hello, peoples. How are you feeling? I wish you good luck today. Let's start our lesson. Today is our new theme about bad habits. Today's lessons, the new words are smoke, cigarette, match, bottle, drunk into stupor, alcohol drinks, beer, wine, dry wine, consumption, and port. The next go on. Everyone has bad habits. Some people chew their nails or wash their hands, but I will tell you about the most dangerous habits. The first of all, smoking. Smoking kills, but it kills very slowly. Smokers' lungs to the left, healthy human lungs to the right. Smoking causes pneumonia and heart disease. It makes your teeth yellow, hair and clothes smell. If you smoke, you are killing a future of your children. The next, drinking alcohol. Almost all people drink alcohol on holidays and celebrations, but some people drink alcohol as often as they can. They spend all their money on booze. When the money ends, they are forced to drink just effective alcohol. Somebody dies from poisoning, others die from disease. Everybody who drinks alcohol very soon will die. Drinking alcohol causes brain and heart disease, slow reactions, and loss of memory, especially for the young people. Please answer the question: what causes smoking? When do people drink alcohol? What causes alcohol consumption? The next, goodbye, pupils.